So this is the Tuesday assignment. We are going to compare fables and fairy tales. That is what we are going to do. How to get there? Well, you go to Schoology. So this is the assignment. This is the hour. So for Tuesday, we're going to compare fairy tales and fables. So for each day, I hope that there will be a short video, me explaining the assignment, so that way there is less confusion and you actually get it completed. This will be graded after 2 days. So for example, this one I'm gonna grade it on Wednesday or Thursday, so on and so on. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So you're gonna import this into your Notability. You can pause this video and you have to fill this out with me right now. I'm not gonna fill every single thing. I'm just going to tell you the words and you're gonna fill those in like we do in the classroom. So this one I already started. I fill out. So this one goes like this. You put here compare fable. This one is a different. So yeah, compare fables and fairy tales, right? So that is what we're doing first. So again, compare fable and fairy tales. You have to fill those out. All the reading is going to be within this slide, so you don't have to go anywhere. So what is the format? What is the definition of that word? We have talked about it many different times. Maybe you already know it by heart now, or you have to look into your notes to fill that in. So there are 4 different formats that we have talked about: short stories, fable, novel, and fairy tales. So you're gonna put fable and fairy tales here, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna fill this out. So you have all of this missing in you. So it's fable, a short story that teaches you a life lesson, often includes animals as its main character. Remember that we watched this funny and goofy story about a dog being greedy. Alright, so fill those out. You can pause. And for this one, it says a fairy tale is a magical story for children like Cinderella. So the characters of these ones usually are giants, elves, and orcs. So your job right now is to read the next stories by yourself and answer the questions. So this story, and then you answer these questions. Okay, and then you're gonna read this story and answer these questions, and then you're gonna fill this out. So this slide is totally connected to the slide number 5 and slide number 6. Same thing, it's just organized a little bit different. Here you're gonna tell me what type of diagram this is. Just tell me and what do you use it for, and then you're gonna draw the diagram. So you're gonna draw fairy tale and fable here, and you're gonna tell me one thing that they have in common, and one thing that they have different, and one thing that they have different, and then you're gonna circle this. If you have to choose which one to read for the rest of your life, would be a fable or a fairy tale, and that's it. So as you can see, I went pretty fast because I'm not going through the story like I would go if I were face to face. I'm just giving you an understanding of what you need to do for each of the slides. All right? Okay. Bye.